Okay, hello guys, and today I am going to tier list these Sprunkis characters, I believe. Okay, I'm I like trying to blend in the fandom, so I clearly forget who these guys are. And who is this guy? I don't even know this guy. I think this guy is like fanfiction something. Okay, now we have a tier list of a bunch of characters. I hope not OCs, and it's very laggy. Okay, so let's get to the first one. Mr. Sam. I don't actually see him in social media, and doesn't have a fan base, and makes a really good sound. I think I'm going with B with this one. Oh, this guy, insane fan base. It's okay. It doesn't make a sound like a bit, but it's solemn. I don't usually. I don't usually see this guy on social media, and yeah, I think we're gonna put a lot of them at B tier. Clocker, uh, uh, this guy is pretty cool. One of my favorite survivors. Sure. The guy has a gun. I don't. The guy has a gun. So the oh my goodness, why does this lag? Just because of the ads, it's lagging. Meh. Like meh. Meh. The only thing that the only thing that I like for this one is he just makes a very cool mouth sound. Oh, okay. So I like Tuner as A tier, as yeah. Tan is like my top 15 color or something, and he did makes a really good sound. He has a gun. I like guns. Okay, this guy doesn't do much, so no, that's not enough. There, there's so many people at B tier. In there, yeah, yeah, up, higher, yeah, yeah. It stops assignment. Hold up, you're not supposed to be here. Yeah, okay, that's good. No, oh, okay. Did this ads? Oh, no. Okay, okay, we're back. This, oh, okay. Pinky, you're going A tier. You're the first A tier. Oh, this tuner. Ahead from tuner. And I have two friends named Pinky, and pink is my like seventh favorite color. So as magenta with a top eight, and yeah, I'm I'm a singer. I'm gonna prove that in November 9. Wait, there's two of them. Oh no! Gotta put them on the same page. There, that's much better. Oh my goodness, Garnold. Behind. Doesn't have any fan base. This guy's pretty funny at all. So I'm just gonna put him overdriven. No. No. Oh. Oh. Over Pinky. Over Pinky. Dude, it's very obvious why this guy should be on top. Yeah, 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 that's good. Makes a pretty cool horror sound. I don't know about this guy. Stumble guys goober. Wait, are we making like New York? Look at this. It's like New York. The Statue of Liberty. Yeah. Along with Mr. Sun. Wait, first B tier. Broad. Pretty cool. Great. You know where I'm taking him. Psych. B tier. Wait, higher. That's good. Oren. One of my favorite beat sounds is going with yeah, you good. Okay, this is our tier list. I don't have any S tiers. I don't have any S tiers because yeah, they're all pretty terrible at making sounds. So we're at like the B bunch. There's so many B's. Yeah. Okay. Okay, these two are C tier, and oh my goodness, there's a lot of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14 of them are at B tier. I like B tier is like one of the most common that I use, and A tier, of course, when there's a top like any other. So I feel like these two are pretty overrated. The ones at the top, these two. The top two is pretty overrated, but I don't know why they hate them. It's overrated. It's cool. Funbot is underrated, dude. But still under. But still under Tuner. Which is also pretty underrated in my opinion. And Broad, pretty overrated, pretty underrated, mid. Okay, I think that's all. I'm gonna. It's like 6:21 in the morning, and see you. Peace.